In today's video, I'm addressing a question from one of my subscribers who asked about real jobs that you can do at night. I've got 4 diverse and well-paying options for you, so stay tuned. Also, stick around until the end for a freebie that just might change your work from home game. Let's dive in. First, I want to share some Upwork tips that personally helped me land on thousands of jobs. If you are interested in unleashing my secret weapon, then consider my Upwork proposal templates. Check out the link in the description below for your free guide on winning your first job. Now let's talk about Upwork strategies. Focus on projects with minimal competition. Verify the client's payment status with the blue verified payment check. Apply promptly to jobs that match your skills. If you're in the US, then consider selecting US only. For your first job, consider offering a small task for your client for free. This will help build their trust. Now let's dive into the real remote job you can do at night. Number 1, voice acting. The first one may not be for everyone, but it's a hidden gem. Voice acting. Ever listen to audiobooks on platforms or Audible? Those voices are from hired voice actors who earn anywhere from $50 to $500 or more per finished hour. Number 2, Upwork freelancing. Next is Upwork, where I got my first remote job at night. It's a freelancing platform connecting businesses with freelancers. I snagged a virtual assistant position working 5 to 10 hours a week for $25 per hour. Want to know my strategy for landing the jobs without references or reviews? By offering my services for free, just for one project to seal a deal. Check out the job descriptions for my top Upwork tips in the link below. Number 3, freelance content creation. Become a freelance content creator and make money creating photo packages, especially for food bloggers. You can start from scratch with no experience. And number 4, furniture flipping. Lastly, have you ever thought about flipping furniture? It's a unique and lucrative opportunity that can start right from your home. Learn from YouTube tutorials and resources, and you might just discover a lucrative side hustle that works for you. And here's a little challenge for you. Drop the word sunshine in the comments below if you have followed the video to the end. Your engagement means the world to me. Thank you for tuning in. And if you have found this video helpful, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Hit the notification bell. Until next time, have a fantastic day and be freelantastic.